friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today, I will be making this piece. I called it Dreaming of Lavender. Lavender is obviously a beautiful color. It's very soft and it does have a tinge of purple, but the difference between purple and lavender, it's got a little bit of mauve in it, which softens the look of the piece. I also added a lot of teal in it, which really complements the lavender. And it looks like it's raining lavender. It's beautiful. Maybe I should call it that, raining lavender. Maybe I'll change the name. I like it. I also added a lot of cells just to soften the look, and looks like it's the rain and the water running down. And at the end, I'll show you when I show the close-up of the piece how the cells form beautifully to look like it's running down the canvas. Also, I added a ton of glass and reflective glass, so it just makes it sparkle, and it's so brilliant and beautiful and light. Let's go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you after. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the video and my creation, and I love this combination. It's very popular with my clients, and I keep making different aspects of it. Not one is the same as the other, and that's the beauty of art. I always change it up. I get bored if I don't. And also, they're all unique, one of a kind for everyone that buys my pieces. I appreciate when you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. I'll see you next time. Happy arting. Thank you so much. Bardzo dziękuję.